Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will learn abstraction in Python. In object-oriented programming, abstraction is one of the four fundamental pillars along with encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. Abstraction helps hide unnecessary implementation details and show only what is essential to the user. In this video we will learn what abstraction is, why abstraction is important, how abstraction works in Python, abstract classes and methods, real world and code examples. By the end of this video, you will have a strong conceptual and practical understanding of abstraction in Python. What is abstraction? What is abstraction? Abstraction means hiding the internal implementation details and exposing only the functionality to the user. In simple words, what an object does instead of how it does it. Real world example: think about a car. You know how to drive it, accelerate, brake, steer, etc. You don't know you don't need to know how the engine works internally. This is abstraction. Why do we need abstraction? Abstraction provides several benefits: reduces complexity, users internal only users interact only with essential features, not complex logic, improves code maintainability. Implementation changes do not affect users if the interface remains the same, enhances security. Sensitive implementation details are hidden, promotes loose coupling. Code becomes easier to extend and modify. How abstraction works in Python. So let's see how abstraction works in Python. Python supports abstraction using the abstract base classes ABC and abstract methods. These are provided by the ABC module. Abstract base classes. An abstract base class is a class that cannot be instantiated directly, may contain abstract methods, acts as a blueprint for child classes. Implementing ABC, we have to import ABC and abstract methods from the ABC. Abstract methods is declared but not implemented, must be implemented by subclasses. Simple example of abstraction. Let's create the simple example of abstraction. From ABC, import ABC and abstract method abst method class vehicle class vehicle and it is extending the ABC. Def start another abstract method stop. So this is the class which is abstract class in Python. Now we can implement this class. And we need to define the method def start car engine stopped. So this one we can define the car class which is inheriting the vehicle class. Now how we can use it? We can create the object of car class. Car engine started, car engine stopped. And let's try to instantiate the vehicle class. Cannot instantiate abstract class vehicle without implementation of abstract start and stop. So we cannot create the object of vehicle class. Now we can see the real world implementation. From ABC, import ABC and abstract method, class payment, which is extending the ABC class. Abstract method, pay, class credit card payment, which is extending the payment class. And here we need to implement the pay method. We can create another class. So UPI payment. Let's see how we can use this class. Payment1.pay. So paid using the credit card and paid 50 using API. The user only knows the pay and not the internal payment logic. So it is called the abstraction. Abstract class with both abstract and concrete method. ABC and from ABC import ABC and abstract method. Class bank account, which is extending the ABC class. So we have bank account class, which is extending the ABC class, and there is a method def account type, which is printing. This is bank account, and there is a abstract method. So this class cannot be extended, and there is a one um method here as well. Now we can create the child class. Now we are defining the interest rate class, which is abstract method. So we can have a class which is abstract class and one implementation method, and there is a one abstract method. And in child class we can extend the ABC class. In the child class we can extend the bank account class and implement the unimplemented method. So unimplemented method here is interest rate. So I have implemented it here. Abstract classes use the ABC class. Abstract method use the abstract method. Abstract methods use the at the rate abstract method, and abstract classes cannot be instantiated. Child class must implement all abstract methods, and this helps enforce a common structure. When should you use the abstraction? You should use the abstraction when you want to define common behavior, you expect multiple implementation, you are designing large scalable systems, you want clean and maintainable code, and the common use cases are payment gateways, logging frameworks, database connectors, machine learning pipelines, plugging systems, API interfaces. Abstraction in Python allows you to design clean interfaces, reduce complexity, improve maintainability, build scalable application. So there are a lot of benefit of using abstract classes. By using abstract based classes and methods, Python enables developers to focus on what the system should do and not how it does it. Mastering abstraction will significantly improve your object oriented design skills and prepare you for real world software development. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.